Welcome to All About Dogs with Jamie. This show tackles everything about dogs: health, food, tips, tricks, nutrition, accessories, dog businesses, crazy dog people like me, really just everything about dogs. So make sure to join us every week to know more about our furry loved ones and our furry family members. This is All About Dogs. Let's get started. Welcome to episode 1 of All About Dogs with your certified crazy dog lady, Jamie. Now, this show tackles everything about dogs, from their health, food, accessories, dog businesses, fellow dog parents as well, tricks, routines, and tips, and really everything about dogs. So, if you're a certified crazy dog person like me, this show is for you. So, who am I anyway, your host for this show? Well, I'm Jamie, as mentioned, crazy dog lady, as I mentioned earlier, but I'm a radio DJ, TV and events host, and voiceover talent as well. But beyond all that I do, I really have a soft spot for animals, especially dogs. I think they have the biggest hearts, and we can really learn a lot from them. And that is why we want to put the spotlight on them on this show. But enough about me. This show is all about dogs. So for episode 1, we have a great feature on a big fur star named Ismal. Ismal has been featured in a lot of TV commercials, shows, and has even been on Netflix. Now, I'm not kidding when I say she's a superstar. She's mastered acting and really doing tricks on cue. Don't take my word for it. Watch this. Small is such a big superstar, and if you're wondering kung bakit ang galing-galing ni Small pagdating sa mga tricks and pagdating sa acting, well, Small's dad is none other than dog trainer and behaviorist Bong Ledesma. And Bong is actually with us today. Hi, Bong, kamusta?
Hi Jamie, hi everyone. I'm good.
Alam mo, Bong, hindi nila alam. Sasabihin ko na ngayon, Bong is actually my neighbor. Of course, Small is my neighbor as well, and we always talk to each other because Bong is one of the crazy dog people I know, and we love talking about dogs. So let's talk about you, Bong. Isa kang dog trainer and behaviorist.
Yeah.
Pag-usapan natin kung paano nag-umpisa yan. Where did it start? How did you start becoming a dog trainer?
It started nung binigyan ako ng aso ng kapatid ko. It's a Pit Bull Terrier. Pangalan niya si Andy. That time, pagbigay niya yun parang nag-start yan.
Nag-start yung spark na gusto mong maging dog trainer. Paano? Bakit? Anong ginawa ni Andy kung bakit naparealize ka, or that made you realize that, okay, I want to be a trainer and behaviorist?
Yeah, kasi that time, may nabasa ako sa internet, how to train a dog, or something na how to know that your dog is may potential or intelligent. Yeah. So doon nag-start yun. I tried yung binasa ko sa internet. So I tried that one, and then it works naman.
Okay. So, gaano nakatagal? How long have you been doing this, Bob?
Nagta-train, I've been training dogs mga 20 years na.
Ang tagal na, 20 years of you training dogs. What's your most favorite thing about training dogs and being a dog behaviorist?
Usually may mga perks ka. I'm always with my students, so medyo passion ko is dogs. So I'm always with my students. I love dogs. So medyo work ko parang nagpe-play na ako.
Parang hindi siya trabaho kasi mahal na mahal mo yung mga aso na kasama mo palagi. I envy you. You know, I can sense that you truly love your job. And for us who love dogs, I mean, what better way to spend your days than spend time with dogs? Now, what's the most challenging part naman, Bong, of being a dog trainer and behaviorist?
Usually pag Ang pinaka mahirap yun mag-start. When I'm starting, yun, di pa ako masyado marunong mag-communicate with dogs. So, I have to learn. Learn how to communicate, how to handle mga behavior. So, I need to do some reading lahat.
Nung umpisa.
Yeah.
And this was way back, again, 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Is there one thing that you're most proud of as a dog trainer and behaviorist na na-achieve mo? And if so, ano yun?
Yun. Before, of course, we did a show sa mga province. We have some invites, mga piyesta-piyesta, mga dog shows. And then, ang dream ko talaga is palabasin ko ang aso, small or Andy sa commercial or TVs. Akin nga dati, just want commercial lang eh. So, it...
Pero hindi, si Small, nasa mga TV shows din. Nakikipag-halubilo sa mga actors in the Philippines. Grabe, ang galing ni Small talaga. So,
may mga perks. I used to train sa Singapore pag.
Wow. So, you know what? I'm so proud of you. I know the kind of work you do because I see it. Most of the dogs in our community are being trained. How many dogs do you think have you trained in the last 20 years? Give us a figure. Ilan na?
Siguro malapit sa 1,000 siguro.
Wow. Okay. So, Bong, my last question is, I mean, a lot of dog parents out there love their dogs, but we don't know how to do what you do, which is make sure that we're still the alpha, that they still follow us, that we can still train them. So what's your biggest tip for dog parents out there for their dogs to listen to them?
Okay. First, sinabi mo, how to be alpha first. Kailangan alpha ka talaga. Dogs will not follow you if they think they are the alpha. So,
kailangan talaga yun.
Yeah. Show them that you're the alpha. And then, you have to walk your dog.
Okay.
The longer the walk, the better.
So it's important to walk your dogs.
Yeah.
No, because a lot of the dog parents out there don't know this. So we have to really remember that we need to keep them happy. And one way is to make sure that they walk.
Yeah.
All right. Now, those are just a few tips. We'll get more tips later on for basic tricks, by the way. But I just want to thank you, Bong, for sharing your time with us, for sharing Small with us here. This is episode 1, so this is very important to us. And I really wanted to showcase a wonderful dog like Small and a great dog trainer and behaviorist like you. Where can they find you on social media? Why don't you tell them to follow you on Facebook and IG?
Okay. Facebook, it will be Bong Ledesma. There's maraming profile page, maraming Bong Ledesma. But I'm using the one with a white shirt. And then Small World. That's in IG. And then my number, it will be 0927-439-4176.
You heard that. One more time, Bong.
0927-439-4176.
Again, a big thank you, Bong. It's been a pleasure talking to you as always. But before we let you go, let's go. Let's train our dog parents on how they can do some basic tricks with their dogs. Tara?
Okay.
Let's go.
See it, you're just gonna pull. And you're gonna follow and then give a treat first.
Nice. Good job, Small.
You can do it again. Wala pang cue, wala pang word. Just pull it. And then give.
Love it.
And then the second thing, after medyo alam niya na how to sit, you're gonna add the word sit. So, sit and then give a treat.
So, movement ng kamay talaga.
Okay. They need to follow. So, pag alam niya na, sit, nakukuha niya na, you can add the word na. So, even walang hand signal, sit. Sit.
There you go.
So, and then the combination is the down. The lay down. Lay down is with the sit position, pwede mo siya ibaba. Lure him down. And then give a treat.
There you go. Una without the word muna.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
then
give a treat. Okay. And then
add the word. Love it.
Okay. And now you can add the word there. And down. And then when lahat ng po yan sa ilalim, you can give a treat. That's the late already. You sit. And then down. So once makuha niya na, You can verbal na lang. Down, 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 down.
There
Very
you go.
good. And then we can add the tricks. So the tricks is sit. We can give the paw. So or shake hands siya. So treat pa rin, high value treat. First ipasbal mo lang. So usually ang ibang aso nagahaya ang nila. Ang paw nila binibigay nila yan para gusto nila kunin. So when it touches it, give the treat.
Yay, good job.
So give it. Sit. Paw. Okay. Kaya nabibigay siya, you can ask the paw. Paw.
Yay.
That's it.
Wonderful. So sit down
Yeah.
and paw.
Paw. Yeah.
All right.
Or the other paw.
Paw.
Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you the rollover. Rollover
Yan, hindi
is
ko alam yan, Bong. Yes, can you teach me how to do that?
yeah. The rollover is sit. Yun ang useful kasi yun ang sit down and then sa rollover kailangan niya. So one down position, you're gonna lure pa rin and then until overall.
Hindi
So,
ko kaya
lang.
yun, Bong. I have to practice that with my dogs. Okay.
You
So
have to try
again,
that one.
sit
Again, sit down,
down
and
and roll over. Okay,
Yeah.
positioning talaga ng kamay. no?
yeah.
That's
And still,
wonderful.
you need kailangan pasensya pa rin. Okay. So ngayon pwede na siya. Mabilis na siya.
Yay!
And he knows it already, no?
Yay!
Mabilis na siya. Oh.
Okay, I like what you said, Bong.
Hmm.
Lots of patience.
Yeah.
Aside from how to exactly do it, you need to have lots of patience. Don't
Yeah.
get frustrated with your dog.
Yeah.
Learn with them as well and learn to communicate with them.
Yeah.
Kaya talaga. No?
Yeah.
I think she deserves another treat.
And then this one is a sit pretty. Sit pretty is easy. It looks difficult, but it's really easy.
Uh-huh.
Sit pretty is just gonna lure it. Sit. And
Sit pretty.
that's sit pretty.
Okay.
That's easy. Come here, huh? Sit.
My dog's kind of big. They
yeah.
might tumble over.
Yeah, you can assist naman. Medyo you can hold it first.
Okay.
At first time, kailangan assist mo na sila. Para di sila, minsan pag medyo nanibago, you have to assist. So, and then the play dead one, if you have to start with the play dead, naka-down position siya, and if knows, marunong na siya mag-roll over. So, you can put halfway. Come here. Halfway. Let's go. Sit. Down. Halfway. And bang. So,
Love it.
that's halfway.
Okay.
Pero if advanced na, sit. Down. So, pag nakuha niya ng cue, once they gonna know it, here, come here, small. This is advanced play dead. Here. Okay. Smally. Here, go. Come here. Come. Up. Sit. Pretty. Bang.
Oh my gosh, I cannot take the
Bang again.
sweetness. Oh, okay.
Alive. So you can.
I love
Usually, it's not by the book. Means if you have ideas and then na-start mo na ang basic, you can do all the great thing na sa iyong idea na galing. Yeah.
All right, maraming salamat, Bong. That's a
Yeah.
lot of tricks that we've learned from Bong. I hope you get to try that at home. Thank
Yeah.
you again, my friend, for
Welcome.
joining us. And if you want to reach out to him, again, it's Bong Ledesma on Facebook, and
Yeah.
it's A Small World on
Small World.
Instagram.
Yeah.
And his number is...
0927-439-4176.
All right, thank you, Bong. And thank you,
Welcome.
Small. Come, Small. Thank you, Small. Come. Thank you so much for joining
No.
us. All right, everybody, that's
Yeah.
it for our tips and tricks for the week, this time with Bong. Thank you, Small. Thank you,
Thank you.
Bong.
Chop! Wow!
And I hope you enjoyed our time with Bong and the superstar Small. Follow them again on their socials. You'll enjoy more entertaining videos from Small. But you know what? Ismael is not the only star in today's episode, because what we want to continuously do on All About Dogs with Jamie is feature you, your dogs. So we asked a few folks to send over their videos of their dogs, and of course, if they want to include themselves too, on Facebook, and we got a bunch of videos. Here are our cutest dogs of the week. Watch this. What a cutie, right? Again, your dog can be next. We're gonna feature dogs every week, so make sure to follow us on All About Dogs with Jamie on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and send in your videos right now. Who knows, next week it might be your dog already. And that is it for our first episode of All About Dogs with me, your certified crazy dog lady, Jamie. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had a blast as much as we did. And don't forget, join us again next week for more fun and more topics about dogs. This show is all about dogs. We're gonna end today with a quote about our furry loved ones. And this one's by Mira Grant. There is nothing truer in this world than the love of a good dog. Anyway, thanks again for joining us. This is Jamie signing off for today. See you next week. Lots of woofs and lots of arfs. Over to you. Till next week. Bye.